Good morning to all my dear students. I hope children you all are fine and are studying. Today children we are going to start the work in Exploring English course book. Okay, it is a poem. So let us start. So this is the poem children. I met a dragon face to face. This is page number 35 of your course book. So we are going to start this poem. Okay. Now children, before we start, first of all tell me children, do you all love to read storybooks? Do you enjoy reading? How are you utilizing your time now? The best way to utilize your time now children is by reading storybooks. You can also have a small library in your home where you can keep your favorite storybooks. Now children, in this poem, I met a dragon face to face. This is a poem about a poet. Who is a poet? Poet is a person who writes the poem. जो poem लिखता है उसे poet कहते हैं. Okay? So in this poem, the poet loved to read storybooks when he was 10 years old. So let us start this poem. So let us start the poem. I met a dragon face to face the year when I was 10. I took a trip to outer space. Now here children, the poet had met a dragon face to face. When children? When he was 10 years old. And then he had taken a trip to outer space. He went to outer space. What is the meaning of outer space? The area around our planet. Okay, when you go up in the sky, that area is called space. So the poet took a trip to outer space. Next, what he did? I braved a pirate's den. I wrestled with a wicked troll and fought a great white shark. Now I braved a pirate's den. What is the meaning of braved children? Braved is to face any situation or any difficult situation without being scared. बिना डरे हुए fight करना. Okay? To face something without showing any fear. This is the meaning of braved. So the poet braved a pirate's den. Who is a pirate children? Pirate is a person who attacks ships in order to steal things and properties from them. Okay, they are the people who attack for stealing things from a ship. Okay. So the poet, he went into a pirate's den very bravely. He went inside the place where these pirates lived. Okay, I wrestled with a wicked troll. What is the meaning of wrestled children? Wrestled means to fight with someone. So the poet, he fought with a wicked troll. What is the meaning of troll children? Look here children. A troll is a fairy tale creature similar to a giant. Okay, it is a fairy tale creature which does not exist in reality. It looks like a big giant. So the poet wrestled with this wicked. Wicked means something that is very bad. Okay, so the poet wrestled with the wicked giant. So he fought with a wicked giant. Troll means giant. Okay, and also fought with a great white shark. Next, what he did? I trailed a rabbit down a hole. I hunted for a snark. Now the poet, he also, what he did? He went down a rabbit's hole and he hunted for a snark. What is the meaning of snark children? Look here. A snark is an imaginary animal. Okay. 1 minute children. Yes. A snark is an imaginary animal. So the poet, what he did? He hunted for a snark. Okay. He hunted an imaginary animal. These animals, they don't exist in reality. You must be watching a number of imaginary animals in cartoons children. Right? So in the same manner, The poet hunted for this imaginary animal which is called as snark. Next, let us see what is given. I stood aboard a submarine. I opened magic doors. I traveled in a time machine and searched for dinosaurs. Now the poet also got into a submarine. Do you know what is a submarine, children? Submarine is a special machine. It's a special ship. Okay. So children, a submarine, it is a type of ship that can travel under the water as well as on the surface also. So the poet, he got into a submarine and he opened magic doors, something that was very magical. I traveled in a time machine. Now what is time machine, children? Now time machine you must have watched in cartoons. A time machine is a machine that can take you to the past or in the future also. Okay, you can travel into the past or future with the help of time machine. So the poet traveled in a time machine and also searched for dinosaurs. Oh, you all know that dinosaurs are very, very huge, big animals. They don't exist now. But that time, the poet, he searched for these animals. Next is, I climbed atop a giant's head. I found a pot of gold. I did all this in books I read when I was 10 years old. So the poet, he had also climbed on the top of a giant's head. Children, you all know, na? What is a giant? Is a very large, very strong person, okay? And he had climbed, the poet had climbed on the top of the giant's head. And what did he find? He has also found a pot of gold. And when did he do all these things? He did all these in the books that he had read when he was 10 years old. What do you think, children? He had done all these adventures in reality? No. He had imagined doing all these adventures when he was reading the story books when he was 10 years old. So this is the poem, children. Okay. So children, you have to learn this poem. Okay, memorize it along with the spellings, and your home assignment will be to write the first 8 lines of the poem in your English copy. Once again I am repeating, you have to write the first 8 lines of the poem in your English copy. After that, in the next class, we are going to discuss more on written assignment. Till then, children, have a good day. Thank you.